Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is articles, and there are three types of article in your parts of speech: a and an. These are known as indefinite article, and da is definite article. A or an can be used with the common noun and singular noun, and da can be used with proper noun or singular and plural noun. It means that a or an can be used only with singular noun, but da can be used with singular and plural noun. Now types of articles, as I have mentioned before, da is a definite article and a or an is an indefinite article. Da can be used with unique or specific things, and a or an can be used with general things. Examples: I want to eat an apple from the group of apple. It means that here are the group of the apple, and you want any one of the apple from here. On the other side, I want to eat the apple which is at first position from the group of apple. It means that from the group of apple you are specifying one apple, and you are talking about the only one specific apple. That's why you are applying the apple, not an apple here. Now the question comes in your mind, where to use a or where to use an. As you know, there are 26 letters in your alphabets. 5 are vowels and 21 are consonant. Where will be your vowel sound? You have to use an, and where will be your consonant sound? You have to use a. Now the question is, what are vowel sound? Vowel sound are a, o. When these sounds come in the start of the word, then these type of words will be called with vowel sound, and you will use an before these type of words. Okay, here is some example. Here is written an ant, an enemy, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. These are vowel sound, that's why you are using an before these words. As you know, an hour, H is consonant word, but its pronunciation is hour, and this is vowel sound. That's why an you will put before hour. Next, a boy, a woman, a horse, a book, a European. These are the words that are giving you the consonant sound. That's why you are using a before these words. As you know that a university, U is here the vowel word, but its sound is not vowel, its sound is consonant. So that's why you are applying here a university. Now you can say a is used with consonant sound. Now this point is clear that where to use a and where to use an. Now the next question is where to use the. So here are some points that I have given for you. First of all, the can be used with unique objects or the objects that are matchless, like the sun, the sky, the moon. Next one is before the names of the mountains, rivers, ocean, deserts. So third one is before the names of the books. Next, before the superlative degree, like the best, the tallest, the greatest. And before the musical instruments, the flute, the violin. So you just apply the before the specific or important things. You can also use the before magazines, the name of the newspapers, or important persons' names. So this is all about the articles. Now the extract point of this video. इस पूरी वीडियो का एक्सट्रैक्ट पॉइंट या खुलासा क्या है, वो ये है कि आर्टिकल्स 3 किस्म के होते हैं, आ, एन और द. आ और एन को हम ऐसे आर्टिकल्स कहते हैं जो कि कॉमन नाउन मीन के आम नामों और वाहद के साथ यूज़ होते हैं, जबकि दा एक ऐसा डेफिनेट आर्टिकल है जिसको आप ख़ास नामों और इसके अलावा वाहिद और जमा दोनों के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट हमारे पास ये आता है कि आ और एन को यूज़ कैसे करना है. तो जिन अल्फाज के स्टार्ट में जब उनको बोलते हैं तो वोवल साउंड आती है तो उनके स्टार्ट पे एन लगाते हैं, और जिन अल्फाज के स्टार्ट पे वोवल साउंड नहीं आती, कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड आती है, उनके स्टार्ट पे हम आ लगाते हैं। और दा कहाँ पे लगाते हैं? दा लगाते हैं इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सन, स्पेसिफिक थिंग्स, मैचलेस थिंग्स, नेम ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स और न्यूज़पेपर और विद सुपरलेटिव डिग्री। तो इन तमाम चीज़ों के साथ हम दा का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। आई होप सो एवरीथिंग इज़ क्लियर। इफ़ स्टिल यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन आस्क।